So in order to play chords easily, we've got to learn something new here. We've got to learn how to read chord diagrams. Reading them is pretty simple. The layout is meant to represent the fretboard of the guitar standing upright. The vertical lines represent each of the strings, and the horizontal lines represent each of the frets. Above those, there's either an X or an O for each string. O's indicate a string you play, and X's indicate a string you don't play. If what you're playing requires a finger, this will be indicated by a circle with a number in it. Where the circle is located shows the fret you play. In this case, it's the first fret on the first string. And the number inside tells you which finger to use. Remember, your index finger or first finger is 1, middle finger is 2, ring finger is 3, and pinky is 4. Guess what? Chords are displayed the exact same way. The only difference is that there will be multiple circles to indicate fingers and multiple strings to play.